Good morning, everyone. I'm going to show you how I make my coffee almost every morning. Usually when I have time, I will make it this way. So I get my little French press. That's my favorite. Look at my old, worn French press. This thing's probably, 8 years old. All the finishes come off that. But I have one of my favorite coffees right here. It's from Just Love, Ethiopian Sidamo. They also make a Ethiopian Harar, which is fantastic, so I'll be getting that next. But whole bean, I never get pre-ground. Whole bean is much fresher. I got my Mine cup here and my burr grinder. I got this on Amazon. It was a little expensive, probably 50 bucks, but I've had it for several years and it's been great. Hot water heater, instant hot water heater. This is one I got from Home Goods, and this was maybe, not even $20, and it's been wonderful. So, get on my hardware here. I filled this up with hot water, as hot as I could get it, and that's preheating. I'm gonna preheat the inside of that. And now I'm gonna measure out 2 tablespoons. This is a 2 tablespoon scoop. And I'm going to get 2 tablespoons of the coffee, put it in the burr grinder. Coffee is finished grinding, and here it is in this little container. After that, I just got a little paper plate I use every day for that. I use the same one, so I'm being green. And then I'm gonna get the hot water heater going, turn that on. This will take maybe 2 minutes for the water to come to a boil. So in the meantime, get this ready. You wanna empty this out right before it's time to add the hot water so that it stays as hot as possible. So, when I hear this getting close to coming to a boil, I will empty the French press of the water and then pour the coffee in there. My water has come to a boil, so I'm gonna shut it off and wait exactly 1 minute once I turn it off. So, count to 60, and then as soon as you get to the 60 seconds, you're gonna pour your water into there. So, I'm gonna put the grounds, well first I'm gonna empty the water out of here, put the grounds in, and then add the water. I'm gonna pour. Alexa, set timer for 4 minutes. And you wanna wait a minute because, as most of you know, water boils at 212 degrees Fahrenheit. So the best temperature for brewing coffee is about 200 degrees. So if you wait a minute, the water temperature will be very close to 200 degrees. It might be a tiny bit under, a tiny bit over, but it'll be close enough to 200 degrees. I'm gonna put the top back on there and let it sit for 4 minutes. My timer just went off, so I'm going to, what is that, plunge? It's called plunging, isn't it? Press. It's a French press, so press. There you go.